Important reminder: before you assemble your Libernovo chair, please put on the provided safety gloves. Some metal or plastic parts may have sharp edges. Your safety is our priority.
Disconnect the frame and seat by pulling it off of the wheelbase. Press down firmly on the gas cylinder until it collapses fully. Grip each wheel firmly and pull them out one by one. Hold the chair base firmly and remove the gas cylinder. Pull the headrest upward to disconnect it from the chair. Unclamp the backrest to remove it. Remove the motor connection screws. Remove remaining screws. Remove the adjustment lever piece. Disconnect the frame and seat by pulling it off of the wheelbase. Unplug the USB-C cable from the seat connection. Remove the battery. Remove the seat cushion and armrests. Remove the tilt tension knob. Confirm all pieces have been taken apart correctly and are accounted for. Place the components in the box in the correct order. Place the seat and armrests into the box first and adjust it to the proper position. Insert the positioning cardboard to secure the parts in place. Place the back frame into the box and position it correctly. Place the positioning cardboard for the backrest into the box. Next, place the backrest into the box. Place the next piece of positioning cardboard into the box. Finally, place the chair base into the box. Place the headrest in beside the base. Fit the anti-expansion sleeve over the gas cylinder. Place the small accessories into bags. Place all accessories into the accessory box in their designated spots. Place the accessory carton inside the box with the chair. Finally, place the top cover on and seal the box.